Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, or hey if you're new. Today I want to do a bit of a skincare review kind of video. There's definitely some new favourite skincare finds that I want to share with you guys in today's video. I've picked up a couple more products from Stylevana, which is, if you're not new to my channel, you know I shop for them all the time. My favourite Korean skincare site. They sell so many different brands and the prices are amazing. Like, I get all my clients onto them as well. I am such a big fan of Korean skincare, particularly because it was just such a game changer for me and my blemish prone skin. Also, just to add in now, I still have my Stylevana code, which I'll put on the screen right now, and that can get you between 10 to 15% off site wide. So feel free to use that if you do plan to do any shopping. But anyway, let's just jump straight on into it. Okay, so the first product I want to discuss is from a brand called Skin 1004. This is a newer brand for me. I actually have their like concentrated centella serum upstairs, or ampule I think it is, which I'm still yet to try. But yeah, this is definitely a newer brand to me, and this is the Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Brightening Toner. And this is made with pure centella from Madagascar. So centella, also known as Centella asiatica, is a really good calming ingredient. It's really good for reducing redness. I'll put some of the benefits on the screen right now. I do really enjoy this. However, the first thing I just need to say about this is it does have like a fragrance to it. So if you're someone who does not like fragrance in your skincare, then I would maybe give this one a miss. I must say the smell of it is lovely. It makes me feel very summer vibes. My skin is not sensitive with fragrance, so I have actually still been testing this and just seeing how I feel with it, and it's been really nice. Like, I haven't had any complaints. Like, it hasn't responded badly with my skin. Skin feels very calm and happy and hydrated when I'm using it. For me, this has been a nice prep product. Like, I'm not really jumping up and down in terms of like, oh my god, the benefits this has given me. Like, it's not really been like that for me. So would I buy it again? Probably not. I probably do prefer my COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner. Yeah, that one I absolutely love, and that I really notice those brightening like aspects of it. So yeah, this is nice, but it's not kind of like blowing me off my seat kind of thing. Okay, the next product I want to talk about is kind of the opposite end of the spectrum, because this I've really been enjoying. So this is by Purito, and this is the Fermented Complex 94 Boosting Essence. Now, just quickly while I remember, the clips you're seeing of me like apply these products, I wouldn't typically use these like together. I'd use like this one in the morning and this one at night, but for the purpose of filming the skincare, I applied this one and then put this one over the top. So just want to say that so you don't kind of get confused by how I would use it in my skincare routine. But yeah, as I said, I've been really enjoying this in the evening as my like toner step. So on the bottle it says this is a thin liquid type essence that is specialized for moisturizing deeply into the skin. It also says it helps keep the skin glow and has a greater absorption effect, and it's 94% of the fermented complex gently hydrates the skin. Now, I definitely agree. I do feel like this does hydrate my skin, and I must say, like, my skin loves niacinamide, and there is 3% niacinamide in this. So for me, this has been a big win because I just have great affinity with that ingredient. So if you are the same, this is definitely something you may enjoy and like to try out in your skincare. I feel like recently my skin tone has been more even as well, and I think that this is actually contributing to that. So that's another reason why I've been enjoying it. Okay, so how can I do a skincare video and not mention Propolis? I'm sorry, it just can't happen. I just love it so much. The next product that I've actually been testing out is the COSRX Propolis Light Ampule. I mean, I just knew before I tried this product, I was like, I knew this is going to be a hit, and it definitely was. I absolutely love this. I think the only con I have about it is the size. I just wish it was bigger. How many mil do you get? You get 30 ml. I mean, it looks really tiny, the bottle, for 30 ml. So I guess that is quite standard for a serum. I do find this has quite a nice like weight consistency to it. It feels beautiful when you apply it to the skin. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know I love Propolis, and I just personally find Propolis works so much better on my skin over a vitamin C. So if you are someone who is finding your skin's very sensitive with vitamin C and you're not really getting on with it, give Propolis a go. This gives me so much better results, and if I get a breakout, I mark very easily, and that's how I can monitor the effectiveness of these products. And yeah, comparing when I used to use vitamin C on my kind of acne, like post-acne marking, compared to Propolis, Propolis actually heals my skin a lot quicker. So yeah, for me it is an absolute go-to for evening out skin tone, brightening my skin, and also propolis is good on like the blemish prone skin because I believe it has antibacterial properties. This is something that I've been really enjoying recently. Okay, the next product I'm very excited to share because I always get excited when I have a moisturizer recommendation for my acne prone skin, guys and gals. So this is by the brand Perito. I think, is this new? Let me know if this is new because I've never seen this before and I was very excited when I came across it. So this is the Oat In Calming Gel Cream. Now this is very lightweight. Like already I'm like, yes, this is gonna be my summertime moisturizer. Like I'm going away on holiday a lot in June. I'm kind of going to France, I'm going to Dubai, so I'm going very hot weather. And this is definitely gonna be in my toiletry bag. I think the consistency is perfect if you're in a very hot, humid climate and you just want something really lightweight that's just gonna help give you that moisture and hydration that your skin needs. So that being said, I put this definitely on the side of like normal combination oily. If you have very dry skin, you may not find this is enough. So one of the key ingredients, as the name suggests, is oat. And oat is very good for calming the skin, very good at reducing facial redness, good for sensitive skin as well. So yeah, my skin has been very happy and calm when using this. It is fragrance free, essential oil free. So yeah, very good if you have got very sensitive skin. And yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. Honestly, ingredient wise, if you've got blemish prone skin, I think it's a really good one to give a go. And also the bottle is 100 ml. So yeah, like I feel like for a moisturizer, this is a really decent size, and particularly for the price it is, you get a lot for your money. So yeah, I think it's a really nice shout, particularly for like summertime. Okay, the next product I want to talk about is a face mask, and oh my god, I have been searching for a new face mask for so long, and yeah, not really having much success. Anyway, I came across this one. This is also actually by Perito, and this is the Ventolin Pore Clay Mask. So I really wanted to find myself a good clay mask because I do really enjoy like the experience of doing a mask, and I do love a clay mask. However, when you're going down the clay realm, some of them can be incredibly drying. Some of them can actually be quite irritating to the skin. And also some of them just don't work as well. So this mask is targeted for smoothing and clearing. So it is really targeted, you know, for a blemish prone skin, or maybe if you just want a good detox mask, something to, you know, do on a Sunday night to kind of reset your skin for the week. And that is kind of how I've been using it, but I've been really enjoying this so far. I've got no complaints about it. It doesn't, you know, dry my skin out or make my skin feel uncomfortable when I take it off. It doesn't cause any sensitivity, and yeah, it's just been definitely my go-to clay mask at the moment. So I wanted to give this a little shout out because I do know that some of you guys also like that ritual of a mask, and particularly if you're suffering with blemish prone skin, it's nice sometimes to have a mask that you can put on in moments where you're maybe like starting to panic a bit about your skin, just get yourself in a better state. You know, you can put a mask on and then it's kind of like, you know, same as like when you put a spot patch on, it's like outside out of mind. You can kind of just take your mind off it and just kind of calm yourself back down, where you get your mindset back in that positive space. So yeah, a ritual of a mask I'm a big fan of. Okay, and then the next two things I have here are some spot patches. So this is by the brand Curacies. Now, I don't know if anyone remembered, it might have been in my last video I did on like new skincare finds I'm loving. And I mentioned about a serum from Curacies, and it was their like dark spot serum. That stuff honestly is like magic. Like I was totally blown away by it. I've never heard of this brand before. Like all the packaging comes in Korean, so I actually don't really know too much about it still. So when I saw they had spot patches, I was very intrigued and I had very high hopes. Now, I've only tried the dark spot one so far because, I mean, this isn't a bad issue to have, but I haven't actually had like a big enough blemish to really properly try the one for blemishes, like the, what's it called, the Trouble Clear patch, because these are the spot patches where they have like the little, is it like needles, those kind of things, and you know, they go into the skin and that's how they get the ingredients into the spot. So I'm still yet to try these. So as soon as I do get a juicy spot, I will give this a try and I'll update you in a future video. However, I have tried the spot patches for dark spots. I was actually quite disappointed, if I was going to be honest. Like, I think the serum that they do is so much more effective on dark spots than these spot patches, and you only get, I think, like what, 9 or so in a packet. So honestly, if you're struggling with dark spots, I would give the serum a go, and maybe give these ones a miss, because I used this on a dark spot and I hate to say this, but I actually do think it might have made it worse. And I don't know if it was the needles going in. I don't know if I put it on wrong. I don't know. So there could be other factors to that. But yeah, I'm not reaching for these anymore. But anyway, guys, there we go. There are some new skincare products that I've been really loving, and also just some reviews there popped in for you. All the products I'll have linked down in the description box, and don't forget you can use my code if you do want to save between 10 to 15% off site-wide on stylevana. If you enjoy these product review videos and sharing my favourite skincare products, please do give this a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that subscribe button. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing really well. I'm sending you all my love, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.